kini nga presentation amo na rin na-present sa National Headquarters instruction sa itong third command sa Police Regional Office 10, Colonel Nadia. Cagayan de Oro City Police Office, spearheaded by Police Colonel Dexter Gabor Pahe, Officer in charge, in coordination with the religious sector. Our assumption, the Holy Mass at San Agustin Cathedral, Nazareno Parish Church, and the procession is expected to draw huge crowd of parishioners and devotees from Cagayan de Oro City, its nearby provinces and cities. Last 2025, more or less 15 to 20,000 devotees attended the procession, and it is expected to increase this year. The crowd will flock at the venues to attend the Holy Mass and to go along with the procession. Lawless elements, on the other hand, might take advantage of the situation and conduct atrocities such as bombings and other terroristic activities, not only at the venue but in the whole area of responsibility, with the use of diversionary tactic to create chaos. Likewise, criminal elements might pursue their evil deeds through kidnapping, pickpocketing, cellphone snatching, and the others. Our mission, in coordination with the religious sector, local government unit, and other law enforcement agencies, under the supervision of Police Regional Office 10, and concurrent with its mission and function, Cagayan de Oro City Police Office will provide area and route security during the Mass and procession of the Feast of the Black Nazarene to ensure the utmost safety and security of the populace. Execution, Cagayan de Oro City Police Office, in coordination with religious sector, local government unit, and other law enforcement agencies under the supervision of Police Regional Office 10, the transfer of the Black Nazarene icon from Jesus Nazareno Parish to San Agustin Cathedral on January 8, 2026 at 7 in the evening. Second, Mass schedule on January 8, 2026 at San Agustin Cathedral as follows. January 8, 2026 at 9 p.m., which is the first Mass, will be headed by the Roads and Traffic Administration as the sweeper, followed by patrol vehicle of Police Station 1, then the icon, followed by Police Station 3 vehicle, then CDR RMO, ambulance, and the Roads and Traffic Administration motorcycle unit. Area security at San Agustin Cathedral. We deployed a total of 44 personnel. Muna atong ipa-report din ang atong station commander sa Police Station 1, Police Major Byron Jan or Kilias Ratonel. Kaya para hindi siya maila-ila. Kaya siya mo yung ground commander sa San Agustin. Chances always favored a prepared mind. Kung preparado daw katong nauna, lagi posibilidad na mag-survive ka. Muna atong utilize sa sunod 12 personnel. Procession of the Black Nazarene from San Agustin Cathedral to Nazareno Parish Church. Muna yung ruta, gikan sa San Agustin Cathedral, pagawas Fernandez, dayon pagabot sa Bilis, muwala, tuloy-tuloy na. Kanya pagabot dito din sa si Imricto sa akong naibawan, murag dito na mo liko sa Pikas kasana. Anyway, naaman si Engineer Claren, naaman siya presentation po. Na dito ang pinaka-detail na presentation bahin sa ruta nga mo security preparations namin. Father Nathan, amuning i-revise, which is from IHOS, which is nag-conform si DRDO. Ang IHOS, isa na lang dayon ang atong ibutang human barricade. magbutang lang ni o isa ka barricade pa, human barricade na medyo distansya para na i-buffer ang atong inner layer. Ang atong inner layer na ay outer pero medyo distansya para ang mga tao makaduol gyapon. Buffer lang to namo sa among inner layer ang outer. High-rise building nato diha ato nang butangan o mga tao. Police with task force or personnel. Paliw ko balik. Balik. Muna ang atong mga tabi observer sa San Agustin, Pacifico Boutique Hotel, kasi maningala mo na ay tao sa taas, second floor, BSP building, flyover si Recto Avenue, overpass. Na major event sa Cagayan de Oro City, Cagayan de Oro City Police Office with its attached subordinate units. The City Mobile Force Company will conduct strong and or high risk checkpoints along the boundaries of Bugo, Balubal, Upper Puerto, Indahag, Lumbia, San Simon, and Upol border control points. 77. In collaboration with the in charge sa Barangay Tanod na ami i-request nga 40 na type force multipliers nga 200 confirm na ni task force Oro na sila 49 plus 33 nga human barricade, Philippine Coast Guard 30, Bureau of Fire Protection 45 with a total of 883 personnel. Ang deployed lang ni, wala pa na ito ikwenta ang atong mga intelligence operatives. Kaya special directive sa atong city director, ilatlag na ang atong operatiba para manuksan ito galing, pero thin line yun. Kaya wala na, kung i-compromise yun natin ang atong security, backfire kaya po sa atong mga kalaguan ng atong panikamutan na masuportahan nato ang atong security sector, ano pag malampuson ang atong pagsaulog sa kapistahan sa itong mga sarili.